Khaleesi with the toy. His sisters. That's the girls. That's the girls. Ozzy is supervising. Not sure if he's going to step in. They're very cute, those girls. It's good to have a big sister, that's for sure. That's my knees again. Oh, look at that. She's going to bring it to us. What are you going to do? Oh, play with his tail. That's pretty good. I don't know how long it's going to last. Not very long, because those teeth are pretty evil. Very good, kids. Very good, Oz. Then a good Khaleesi comes to Grandma. Yes. Good kid.